my god, it's Harry Potter. Oh my goodness, I have the worst cough ever. It just won't leave. I've been sick and it won't leave me alone. Lauren, you know how you said you had that really long list of books to read? I have my own list. Well, it's like a pile, and it consists of all of those. There's like, and this is one as well, which is what I'm reading at the moment. It's about 25, 26 books or something, but I luckily have 44 days ahead of me, which is holidays, so I will try and read as many of them as I can. Okay, so we have a list of words to say in our accents. It might sound weirder because I have this cough, so my voice is really funny at the moment, but I will try and read them now. Okay, there's Tootsie Roll, comfortable, orange, both, tour, toilet, shore, Nevada, roof, chocolate, root, draw, coupon, ramen noodles, pecan, caramel, milk, again, Caribbean, wash, New Orleans, crayon, envelope, coffee, Reese's Pieces, which I've never said before, so that's a first, and data, or data. I say data and data differently, kind of like envelope and envelope, kind of like interchangeable, but yeah. So that's how I see things. It's weird because that list is American, with like Tootsie Roll and Nevada and New Orleans and things, so I don't know, but yeah. It's interesting though, like, because, nah. Okay, well, some people are like, American accents, they're all the same, but they're not. You guys all say them differently, and it's funny. I would continue talking, except that I can't, because my throat is really sore. Holidays! Yeah! I'm gonna spend all my time on Skype and playing the U-Ball in the App Store Cup. And reading, and none of this. Whoa, it's really heavy. None of this. Yeah, I'm crazy now. So I'm going to go. I will see you all next week. Sorry for the late video. Yeah, it's now Saturday in my place. I'm crazy.